Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to turn off your Gmail two-step verification. For that, you have to open your Gmail account on your browser and click on the first link. Now go to security section. You can see that my two-step verification is enabled, so I'm going to disable this two-step verification. Now click on turn off two-step verification. Click on turn off. You can see that your two-step verification is now turned off. You can easily enable by clicking on turn on option, and that is how you can easily turn off your two-step verification on your Gmail account. Hope you like this video. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel for guide like this. Thanks for watching.